Let me show you how you can obtain your IRS tax transcript fast. Why you may need a transcript? You may need a copy of your prior year tax return for your records, or you may need to find your prior year AGI to e-file online, or to verify your income and apply for certain benefits. IRS transcripts are not generated in the form of 1040s, but have all the line items from the tax returns. If you need an AGI from prior year, you can find it on the return transcript. The fastest way to obtain your IRS transcripts, I mean within minutes, is through your IRS Online Account. You will have to have an ID.me identity verification account to log in. Then click on Tax Records. You will see the last tax return filed and adjusted gross income for that year. To obtain a detailed line-by-line information or a different year of data, click on the Get Transcript button. Then specify the reason for the transcript request. The customer file number is optional and only needed for third parties that request the transcripts on your behalf. So leave it blank if you are requesting it for yourself. Once you log in to the transcript portal, you will have access to 4 different transcripts. The return transcript, which is what I want, shows most line items from your Form 1040 tax returns as it was originally filed. You will see at the top your personal information, then all categories of income listed for the tax filings, any adjustments or deductions received, tax credits claimed during the year, any additional taxes paid such as self-employment tax, all the payments you have made for the tax year, and whether you owed or had a refund coming that year. Additionally, if you had additional schedules filed, like Schedule C, D, E, or F, they would be listed with line-by-line details. The account transcript shows changes you or the IRS made after you filed your original return, such as making estimated tax payments or filing an amended return. At the top, you can find your AGI, taxable income, and tax on the return. Notice different codes on the left of the transactions listed. There are different codes indicating different account activity. For example, Code 150 indicates that a tax return has been filed for the year and the amount of tax shown on the return when filed. Code 660 lists estimated tax payment data and the amount. Code 806 is another typical code that indicates the amount of tax withholdings on your W-2. Code 846 indicates the amount of refund issued and the date. If you requested extension to file, it would be listed under Code 460. Payments and credits are listed as negative numbers, while amounts owed, refunds issued, or assessed taxes are positive. Any additional tax assessed would be listed with Code 290. Any notices issued would be indicated with Code 971 and the amount of assessment. I will list 2 resources in the notes with a list of possible transcript codes. The record of account transcript combines the information from the return and account transcript. Finally, the wage and income transcript shows data from the information returns, such as W-2s, 1098s, 1099s reported to the IRS. So basically, all the forms that employers and third parties send to the IRS. Click on the transcript box and year for which you want to download data. It will open the document for you in a new tab as a PDF, which you will be able to download. You can go back to the transcript screen and download more. What about if you don't have an IRS online account? You can also request a transcript, but you will have to create an ID.me account so that the IRS can verify your identity in order to release these records. If you don't feel comfortable requesting the transcripts online, you can request them by mail, which can take between 5 to 10 calendar days. Provide your Social Security, date of birth, and address and click Continue. You can request 2 types of transcripts, account or return, and only 4 years back. Again, you can leave the customer file number blank. You will receive a confirmation of your request and you can go back to request another transcript. Final way to request your transcript is by calling the 1-800 number. Thanks so much for watching.